Hello everyone, this is my review of the Zexsuit Brainguards for the Toyota Tacoma dual cab front and rear. With the deflectors on, I can crack the windows to let in fresh air without worrying about rain, snow, or wind blowing directly into the cab. Another big plus is ventilation. On hot or humid days, I like to let air move through the car without fully opening windows. The deflectors make it possible I get airflow without wind blasting, which helps reduce stuffiness and heat inside. I also appreciate the build quality. The material feels solid, and the way it tucks into the window channel gives a clean, finished look, not like a cheap add-on. Once installed, they stay securely in place, even when driving at highway speeds, no rattling or shifting so far. Overall, if you want a simple upgrade that adds ventilation, weather protection, and a bit of style, these rain guards are a solid choice. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.